Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the LWS English podcast. I am your host, Susan. I am so happy you are here with me today. Thank you for spending your time with me. This channel is a safe place for you. Here, you can learn English with no stress. You can go slow. You can make mistakes. Everything is okay. I am your friend. I am here to help you every step of the way. Today, we have something very special. A top linguist told us a secret. A linguist is a person who studies how people learn languages. This secret is about how to think in English faster. Many students write to me and say, Susan, I study English every day, but I am very slow. I translate every single word in my head. My brain feels so tired. Can you please help me? I understand you perfectly, my friend. When you translate everything, it is hard. It is slow. It is like walking with very heavy bags in your hands. You feel tired and you want to stop. But today, I will show you the secret. I will help you remove those heavy bags. Then you can walk free and easy and fast. We will use the LWS method. Listen, write, and speak. It is simple and powerful. Before we start our lesson, please do me a small favor. Click the subscribe button right now. When you subscribe, you join our beautiful family of students from all around the world. Also, please click the like button. It takes only 1 second, but it helps me reach more people. Thank you so much. Part 1. The Big Mistake. The top linguist says that many students make one very big mistake. They use what we call the dictionary brain. What does this mean? Let me explain. When you use dictionary brain, you learn English like it is math. You take one word in your native language, then you look for one perfect word in English. You try to match them perfectly, like a puzzle. But here's the problem. Language is not math. Language is not a puzzle. Language is like music. Language is like breathing. It is natural and free. Think about music for a moment. If you stop the song every 2 seconds to check every note, is the song beautiful? No, the song becomes broken and strange. The same thing happens when you translate every word. You stop the flow, you break the conversation, you create a big wall between you and the other person. So, what is the real secret to thinking faster? The secret is not about knowing more and more words. The secret is about how you connect ideas to English sounds. This is what we will learn today. Part 2. The Concept Bridge. Now, the linguist teaches us something very important. We must build a concept bridge. What is a concept? A concept is the idea or the feeling of something. Let me give you a good example. Think about a cup of hot coffee right now. Close your eyes for a moment. Can you smell the coffee? Can you feel the warm cup in your hands? Can you see the steam coming up? That picture in your mind, that feeling, that smell, this is the concept. Now, here's the secret. You must connect the English word coffee directly to that feeling and that picture. Do not go from the feeling to your native language first and then to English. That is 3 steps. It's too slow and it makes your brain tired. We want only 2 steps, the feeling and the English word. That is all. This is fast. This is natural. This is how native speakers think. Let us practice this method right now together. I will say a small block. First, you listen carefully. Second, you write it down in your notebook. Third, you speak it out loud with confidence. Ready? The block is I would like. Listen one more time. I would like. Now take your pen and write it in your notebook. I would like. Good. Now speak it out loud to the room. I would like. Perfect. Now, let me tell you something powerful. If you have just 20 or 30 of these small blocks in your memory, you can create hundreds and hundreds of different sentences very fast. This is the secret that people who speak 5 or 6 languages use every single day. Part 4, the English only zone. Now, the linguist gives us another practical tip. Create an English-only zone in your house. This is a special place where you only speak English. Choose one small place. It can be your bathroom, it can be your bedroom, it can be a corner in your kitchen. The place doesn't matter. What matters is that in this place, for 10 or 15 minutes every day, you only use English. Your native language is not allowed in this zone. What do you do in this zone? It is very simple. If you see a mirror, you say mirror. If you see a towel, you say towel. If you wash your hands, you say I wash my hands. If you open the door, you say I open the door. What happens if you make a mistake? Nothing bad. Don't worry at all. There is no teacher there to correct you. There is no test. There is no grade. It is only you learning and practicing and having fun with English. When you do this exercise every day, you are training your brain to switch languages. It's like a light switch on the wall. In your special zone, the English light is on. If you practice this for 20 days without stopping, something wonderful happens. The switch becomes very easy and natural to use. Soon, you will be able to turn on your English brain anywhere in the world, in a store, in a restaurant, on the street, anywhere. Part 5, the mirror practice. Here is another very important part of the secret. The linguist says that talking to yourself in front of a mirror is one of the fastest ways to build your thinking muscle in English. Why does this method work so well? Because when you see yourself speaking, your brain receives two very strong signals at the same time. First, it hears the sound of your voice. Second, it sees your mouth moving and making the shapes of English words. When your brain gets both signals together, learning happens much, much faster. So here's what I want you to do. Every night, for just 5 minutes, stand in front of your bathroom mirror or bedroom mirror. Look at yourself in the eyes. Then tell yourself about your day using simple English words. You can say things like this. Today was a busy day. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I studied English with Susan. Now I am tired, but I am happy. Keep the sentences short and simple. Don't try to be perfect. Just speak naturally and look at yourself. When you practice this way every single night, you teach your brain something very important. You teach it that you and English are good friends. You are not a nervous student who is afraid. You are a confident English speaker. This builds your confidence quickly, and confidence is the key to thinking fast in any language. Conclusion: your success journey. Thank you so much for listening to me today. I believe in you with all my heart. I know that you can achieve this dream. You have a smart brain and you have a strong, determined heart. Here is my challenge for you today. Tonight, before you go to sleep, I want you to go to your mirror, look at yourself with kindness, then say 3 simple things you did today in English. Only 3 things. Keep it simple and easy. Before we say goodbye, I have 3 small requests. First, if this secret helped you today, please share this video with 2 friends who are also learning English. Your help means everything to me. Second, write a comment below this video. Tell me what is one small block of words that you will practice today. For example, I want to, or I would like, or I am going to. Third, answer this question. How many minutes will you spend in your English-only zone tomorrow? 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Write your answer in words, not numbers. I read every single comment you write. Your progress and your success make me so incredibly happy. Keep practicing with patience. Keep believing in yourself. Keep moving forward one small step at a time. And always, always remember our special method. Listen, write, and speak. This is the LWS way to success. I am Susan, and I can't wait to see you again in our next lesson. Have a beautiful, wonderful morning. Have a productive, successful afternoon, and have a very peaceful, restful night. Bye-bye, my dear friends. Keep shining.